Now, Don, what are you working on today?
Well, I'm just framing up a back door for that 28 Dodge there behind me.
Righto, yep,
I've got the front doors done
yep,
and back doors are next,
yep.
and then the rear tub comes after that, and hopefully they all fit together.
They should do if you cut them right. You think? But yeah, so the steel work, is that original or did you bend that up?
Yes, steel is original.
Yep.
That whole car was given to us by Alan Davies
Right,
as a present,
yep,
and I'm not sure what the story was, whether it was in a school, but someone demolished it completely.
okay,
And
yeah,
they repaired any rusty panels,
yep.
and that's as far as they went.
As it went. What about the wheels? There wooden spokes, the wheels?
I had to re-spoke those.
Yeah, who re-spoke them?
I did that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Did you cut them on the bandsaw and then onto the lathe, or how did you do that?
Yeah, I cut them out roughly with a circular saw, like a hand circular saw, and then turned the top or the round end on the lathe,
Yeah,
and then did the taper one for the middle with a by hand with an angle grinder.
yeah, okay.
And they had to be rather tight fit.
Yeah,
You couldn't just push them into place, they had to be driven in or pressed in.
yeah,
Make
make
tight
them work.
enough.
What's the timber you used?
That was red gum,
And did you salvage it from somewhere, or is it?
out of the old house.
So the old house that got demolished here at the museum
That's the one, yeah.
saved the red gum out of the frames.
The red gum for that.
Yeah,
It almost disappeared. I salvaged it off one of the boys' wood heaps.
oh yeah,
And
did well.
yeah, it's a nice straight
Got a new
grain,
job.
over 100 years old, so it was dry.
Yeah, so it's got it's doing a new job, which is excellent.